Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be doing the smack or fact challenge, right? So today here I have with me is my little sister. What's your name?
Hi, Shanoy.
And she has eight questions. I have 8 questions. So this game is played. If she asks me a question and I get the question right, then we pass. Or it's a fact. Then we move on. If I ask her a question, she gets the question wrong, then it's a smack. Right? So I smack her. But today, we're not going to use the powder. We're going to use flour. So it's a flour edition. I don't have any powder, guys, so I'm just going to have to use the flour, alright? So, without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into this video. But first, I'd like you to subscribe, like, and share, and drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me the things you like to see in videos, what you like to see me do in videos. Of course, I'm going to do pranks. I have an intro video coming soon. Alright, so yeah, I think that's about it. So, we're going to start. You want to go first? You want to go first? Me first? Or you go first? Me? Alright, so my phone is recording at the moment. So I'm using a piece of sheet. And my sister's phone is charging, so we're just going to use paper. I don't see anything wrong with that. Alright. My first question is, what is my favorite fruit?
Mango.
Yes. So I go back the one, the slide. My favorite fruit. Well, you get one of my favorite fruit. Mango. Watermelon is another one. And gooseberry. And I think sweets up. Sweets up, yeah. If it's sweet. Alright. Your turn.
My first question. Who is my favorite singer?
Who is your favorite artist?
Yeah.
Ariana Grande.
No?
Wait. One more, I guess. One more. Selena Gomez.
No?
Who?
No?
I don't know. Oh, even know you. Wait. Put back the COVID. I used to watch. So, wait. You don't know how to do this. Blow up your hand. And take time smack me, please. Wait. Wala you do it. Oh. I can do a movie. Hold on. Whew. Alright, ready. Ah! Alright. You must be enjoying this. You get to smack me. Don't worry yourself, it's who smack you too. Come, my family. You alright? Alright, my next question to you. No, how you ask me question?
Who is my favorite?
No, me ask you question. Or you just ask one question and smack. What do I hate the most?
Idiots.
Idiot. Not Ned. Alright, let me make a specific question. What? Alright, let's scrap that question. What meats do I eat?
Chicken.
Right. You get it right already. So guys, I practically eat only chicken and fish. I don't eat beef, I don't eat goat, I don't eat pig, beef, goat, pig, I don't eat any other thing. I only eat chicken and fish. Right? So my turn to ask you one question now. Your turn to get your box. In what year was I born? Now which month? Now which day? Which year? Can I answer?
1991.
You ready? Ready? You ready? What? Don't prepare, man. Well, I can't come on. As long as you don't get wet. Alright, your turn. Yeah, but I like to know for the bit.
What is my favorite movie?
What is your favorite movie? How if you know that? Your favorite movie?
Riverdale.
Oh. Wait. Wait. Let's start. Nice. My next question to you is out of makeup doing hair or making stuff like art stuff, which one do I prefer? Which two or which three do I prefer? This one more, or this one more, or do I put whatever?
You prefer makeup more.
No. I would wish one more smart for you. Just let me put your good palm hand. Excited? You ready? You're not afraid? No? Look at your face. Your turn now. Go on.
What is my favorite food?
Favorite food. You talk about cook food, fast food, or
Fast food.
burger.
No.
What's your favorite fast food? Wait. You don't put more powder in your hand. You have to tell them more powder in your
My
hand.
favorite fast food is chicken and cheese.
Oh, yes. Wait. Chicken and chips. Let me tell you that. Chicken and chips.
The two tea.
Wait. Alright. Wait. Yeah, that's it. Alright, we're ready for done now. You ready for done? Last question and then we're finished. Whose turn? My turn?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm gonna go from the top of my head. Alright, so when I was going to Green Island High School, I got an award for a particular acting position in the play that I played at JCDC function. Right? It was the Charles Hyatt Award for Best Comedy Actress or Actor. In what year did I in what year did I get that reward?
2018.
No.
I wanted. See, not even know right answer.
2019.
Oh,
2019.
oh,
No. Lie. You're correct.
yes.
Your last question. Your last question.
Who is my greatest inspiration?
Me, of course.
No.
Who?
Cardi B.
Talk about me. Yeah, here. Go on.
Cardi B.
Alright, wait. Lord Jesus. There's eager feeling so. Well, on, man. Wait, we just get myself prepared. Already decided. Wait. Okay, you what? Wait. No, son, I can't use so much flour. Akila want to kill me.
Sit there.
Hold on. Decide, yeah. Wait. Wait, no. Take time. No. Alright guys, thanks for watching and that's the end of our video. Bye.